Hello. Hello. Ay, saan ang kataon namin ko? Bakit kaya ako ng pin nito? So slow it down.
Parang mga ganyan mo. Pag-isa na ko namin. Pag-isa na ko namin. Saka ako may pangkuha na yun.
Ano? So, hindi, parang may mali. Parang there's something. Parang, tapos, parang may mali ito. Hello, how are you guys? Ako magawa. Oh, okay. Hello everyone who's watching. Tara, labas tayo. Deep in dirty waters. Shout out sa mga taga Surigao, sa mga Bisaya dira. Shout out. Tara, Manorita. Hello. Exercise tsaka kumain ng tama. Yun lang yun. Ikaw po, dapat po. Cute sa ko po. Okay, mas. Salamat. Thank you. Metro Body Shop. I love Metro. They did a good job. Ang ganda din ng ng context na ginanong sa amin. Like the context of the shoot, the meaning of the shoot and all. It's really good. And I enjoyed the shoot. And I always enjoy doing photoshops. Photoshoots pala, photoshops. Photoshoots. Ang gagawa. Nagsasabi ko. I always enjoy. Thank you. I love the photos too. Ang galing kasi ng Good afternoon. Nag-isabaw na early in the day? Early in the day?
Gusto pa, dito ka sa may gabi ko.
Okay lang.
Para hindi ka masyadong dilayo.
Nakakaya naman. Huwag na. Dito na ako.
Wala
Ang feeling naman para
Wala naman tao doon. Para hindi ka exposed sa maraming people. Asa na siya?
Wala pa eh.
Di ba sumagot siya eh?
Hindi niya yata kapatid niya.
Diyan ka muna ipaprogram ko lang hihigin niya, madam.
Okay.
Para pagdating niya, proceed na tayo.
Tapos pag mag-video ako mamaya. Tanungin na lang kita kung anong process, oo.
Ano lang, spontaneous lang.
Spontaneous. Sige.
Hindi ko talaga.
Thank you. Today kasi papalsakan. Today kasi si Ate Nicole, lagyan na ng hearing aid. Kukuha na yung hearing aid niya. And thank you to Manila Hearing Aid. Ayun, paanoin nyo guys, i-flood nyo ng hearts, ng green hearts.
Sir Jose, siman po kayo? Siman ka?
Green hearts.
Pero na lang po ako itong valid ID after na lang po.
First time yun.
Ba't wala na? Walang rampa yata yun. Hello. Green hearts. Late pala kayo guys. Ang ganun. Okay na. May taga-US. May laro ba ngayon? Tibit? UAP na ba rin? Hindi, ang dami. James Cadera na ako. Ayaw mga harap. Gusto ko mangyari. Maayong hapon po. Tara, balibol ta. Hindi na siya lumot heart. It's Manila Hearing Aid heart. Only MHA can touch my heart. Hi, Ate Trish. How are you? Miss ka na ng puso ko.
May.
Wala na. Ayun, yung pumasa pa. Hello. Thank you. Lagi kapoy glawas. Nalogo pa. how's my life lately? May nagtanong, how's my life lately? My life has been good. Great. There are times na, of course, we get tired physically and emotionally. But at the end of the day, I'm still grateful because if, hindi tayo naghirap, hindi tayo pinahirapan ni Satanas. Because I don't believe that God will give us a challenge that, would despair. He doesn't give us despair. He gives prosperity. So it's the devil who's giving us despairs. And I'm still grateful for it because I've learned a lot in the past few months. I've learned some stuffs, how to value myself, how to value my worth as a person. A lot of things happen. Crazy happenings. Of course, what are you talking about, Shirley? My God, that's my baby. That's my baby sister, baby sister that I never had. Dubyum, nagulan nga nito sa mo. Favorite housemate nung nasa baby Bika po. Malalaman nyo guys, mga kinakausap ko ngayon. Yun yung favorite ko. Kuya Alvi, si Latisang, si Mama Brenda, si Kuya E, si Kuya Ben, minsan hindi, minsan oo. Yeah, them. You'll see. Yes, Mama Brenda and Ate Sam will always be there. May pimple ako guys, so ang dami. Kaya ako masyadong magbigay ng makeup, eyes lang, tsaka lips. Kasi baka kakalat siya. Thank you. Si Ate Chi, yes, Ate Chi. Basta yung mga nakakasalamuha ko, of course. Ilang taon na ako? I'm 21, turning 22 this year. Hello, Jess Hazel from New Zealand. How are you? I hope you're doing well. I'm from Siargao. Saan ka sa Siargao? Taga-asamang ka? Ay, sus. OA. Binola pa ako dito. So slow it down. Oo nga, kasi Araneta yung, di ba? Araneta yung sa gilid. No? Mga students, oh. Baka dito ko na mahanap yung forever ko. Ano na ako sa forever? Ay! Laki pala. Aspiring auditionee from Siargao. See you in Galleria. Good luck, break a leg. And just enjoy. Pag mag-audition kayo guys, just be yourselves. Answer the truest that you could answer. Don't answer na safe. Huwag kayo mag-answer na safe na hindi kayo. Kung mag-answer mo kayo ng questions, you have to be real. Yun lang yung tip ko. Maging totoo lang kayo. You know, right? Soon! Who's Kardashian? Khloe Kardashian. I love Khloe. I love them all. I love Kendall. First, I love Khloe. Second, I love Kylie. Third is Kendall, then Kim, then Kourtney. Yeah. Who's your showbiz best friend? You don't have any showbiz best friend. It's either your best friend or your friends, I would say.
Meron pa kasi yung reserve lang.
How was Dagupan? Dagupan is really hot. The last time I went there, I hope everybody's doing well. Dapat maging housemate. Bakit ka nga ba dapat maging housemate ni Kuya? Sagutin mo nga. Sige na. Yes, naitabing ilog otro. Mag-rerun po
Monday
kami.
and Thursday, ma'am.
Thursday.
Monday and Thursday. 2 days lang po siya nandito.
Hindi ko naman pwede na ba yun sabihin? Or ba?
Pero
Guys, huwag nyo nang pakalat ha.
Monday, May 13, wala kami.
Oh,
Hanggang
Tuesday.
Tuesday, close po kami. Kailan ang balik ko?
3 months na ata ako eh. Sabi nila kung hindi ka naman siya.
Okay pa naman.
Okay, nakakarinig pa lang.
Kailan ang balik mo dito ulit?
Yung ano lang, gusto ko yung maintenance lang ganyan. Yung parang, parang
Sinong nagbabalik ka na ba?
papalinis na.
Kailan po ulit ang balik mo? Dito?
Oh, you watch! Ay, nagbabalik.
Babalik ka dito kailan?
Ako babalik.
You never heard it from me, okay? Huwag nyo ikalat.
Mga September. Kaya gusto ko sana ngayon.
Yes, as you should. 12 na ba ngayon? 11. Bukas pa Mother's Day.
Meron lang po isa.
12 pa Mother's Day. You never heard it from me. Dapat wala makaalam.
Yan ang ako, wala. Hindi ako nakakarinig.
Samantala,
Oo. Samantala ako talaga.
mawawalan mo na kami ang pag-ibig.
Pero, kahit sa Monday yung daw ay wala.
Monday, Tuesday,
Monday, Tuesday, ang
wala po kami
May work ako sa Mother's Day eh.
next week. Ano, ganun din.
Hello, DJ from Siargao. Hello, if you guys are doing well.
branches ng Manila Heritage wala ng 2 araw. Ang balik namin, Wednesday. Pero dito, ma'am,
You guys never heard it from me, okay? Dapat dito makalabas. Kung ano lang sa live natin, dito lang to. If you guys dare to say it to anyone, I swear, you can hunt your dreams. In Jesus' name, I will.
saan yung mga
Alexa, Tagalog.
saan yung mga
Of course, we all know Bini. What kind of question is that?
Opo, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. I am working. That's why I'm talking right now. I'm working on it. I'm so sorry if your expectation is couldn't reach it. So hi ha. Pwede tayo magtanong dito ngayon. Mamaya. Kasi may may patient. So I'll be asking. Okay. I'll ask them for you. Mas nakakausap ko often si Mika. Mika's really friendly. You guys really friendly. Actually, all of the babies. Pero mas nakakausap ko more si Mika.
Mawawala po yung ulit.
Ayoko na. Ang gawin mo ba?
392, ma'am. Pero na lang po.
Ilang taon ka? 21. I'm 21, guys. Any times paniwang and tips, kaon og maayo, kaon 3 times a day. Lessen your carbs, lessen eating sugar and salt, and do exercise, please. It's a must. That's it. And if you say my diet is discipline.
Sampang,
Teammate. Yes, we are teammates. Iyak mo picture. Iyak ako. Volleyball training. I haven't gone volleyball training. The last 2 trainings. May 2 days trainings na kaligtaan ko. Oh, tama ba ito yung word? Kaligtaan? Or what? Tama naman. Nakaligtaan ko. Tapos the next pa. Sa Monday ulit. So, I'm gonna
Ito lang yung
Go
bago
training.
naming number. If ever po may question po kayo or concern. Okay. Contact number namin.
sana nga makanood ako. Wala akong ticket. Sino gusto ko makakollab? Where? In what? Are you training for first time Magic Game? Yep, I am training. Ohio. Wala magtatanong. Ang kinis, guys. Hindi ako makinis, ha? Far from makinis. Look at that. I have my pimples. It's because I'm tired. I've been wearing makeup for the past 3 weeks. I have some blemishes. I have my freckles right here. Look at that. My freckles. It's everywhere. Here, there, and here. And may mga ano ko dito before when I was young. And I have this one, this part which is breaking out. So I'm far from makinis, but I love my skin. And if you don't like it, then it's your problem, not mine. That's my business and not yours. Amen. Ang cute naman, may puppy. Aww, Chukoy. Chukoy. Come to mama. Chukoy. Thank you. And it's normal, exactly. It's normal. That's why I love my skin. Because it's real. You don't have to pretend. Parang limusay na ano. Parang kang limusay. Wala. Gusto ko ng puppy. I love to have a puppy. But right now, I don't know why I'm a bit of a cat person now too. So I think I like both. Before I don't like cats. Now I do love cats. Cats are sweet. They just show it in a different way. Diba ang cute ng dogs? Ang cute ng mga puppy. They're here. Chocolate. Come to mama. Chocolate. Hindi. Ginawa nga akong hater. Di nga ako marunong mag-hit. Di ako marunong ganun. Kati alay. But I'm learning. Trying my best. The best as I can. May work ako tomorrow. Dogs or cats? Both. Cannot choose anymore. If it's before, it's dogs. But right now, I'm slowly learning to love, cats. They're sweet. They just show it in a different way. What name ibibigay mo sa puppy mo if ever magkaroon ka? It's either Kuba. It's Kuba. And if I have a cat, it's Rara. Rara. Or Kirara. I think I like Kirara more. Kirara. Tapos if I have one, it could be Shiba. Yung isa Shiba. And the other one is Kobu and Kuba. And if I have a cat, it's Kirara. Cute na. Or Rara. Kirara. So slow it down. No. Ang maitim sa Bisaya is itom. Kirara is from, if you know Inuyasha, you would understand. I would love to sing, but I'm preserving my voice because I have rehearsals pa later on. Mga 4 p.m. So I have to leave. Just waiting for someone and then take the video and then leave. I'm gonna rehearse. Kirara kulot mo. No. No. It's Kirara from Inuyasha. You guys don't know that? My God. Don't know anime. Saan ba kayo nakatira? Sa Mars? So I'm gonna write a dog. It's either Doberman, German Shepherd, yeah, just the two of them, or wolf. I would love to have a wolf. Natutulog na sa sasakyan. Sasakyan, tama. Talaga? Sasakyan. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Gorbu. Diet secret, it's discipline. That's my diet, discipline. Thank you. Do play board games? I do play. If you guys know, di ba chess? Sa amin, nilalaro namin dama. If you know dama, you know when you know. Dama. Wala ang king, wala ang queen, tsaka wala yung, may apat na wala. Do you have tattoos at Yanji? No, I don't. But I have a birthmark, that's all. Sungka. Yes, sungka. Oh my God, you know that? Dama, you know Dama? Good job. Ang bishop, walang bishop. Yeah. Dama. Sa kayo kinsay makarelate dera. Dua ta. Sungka. Sungka po. And di naman tong its, di naman yung board game, card game yan eh. Mahilig ako magtong its, guys. Sa school yan yung nilalaro namin. Sorry sa mga teacher namin na hindi nila alam naglalaro kami nitong its. Sorry sa mga classmate ko na I just exposed us here in a live. I'm so sorry. Touch phone. Oh my God, that's so dama. Jackstone. Hindi board game ang Jackstone ha. Pero ako guys, MVP ako sa Jackstone. Star player ako sa Jackstone. Sa Chinese Garter. Tsaka sa, sa Bakbak. If you know Bakbak, you know when you know. Yeah, Chinese Garter. You know Bakbak? Bakbak is really nice.
Ano po bang complaint po sa tenga ninyo sa kalwa?
Yeah. Ako yung laging taga-tubos. Ako yung nagtutubos lang.
Wala po bang masakit, sir, sa tenga? Hindi naman po na-operahan recently. Wala po bang operasyon, sir? Nangyari po.
Thank you. Yes, slippers game yung
Sir,
Bakbak.
ganito po. Kung gusto niyo lang po malaman kung
Tumbang
ano yung
preso,
grado ng tenga niyo sa kaliwa,
Labay Tunga,
free naman
Matrix,
po, free consultation po.
The Jump.
May bayad lang po kung kukuha kayo ng resulta or bibili po kayo ng DA.
Tumbang preso. Tsaka yung patintero.
Ano po ba, biglaan lang po ba o matagal lang kanina? Ano po pangalan?
Yung students ha.
First time nyo? Kailan kayo nakaschedule?
Hindi nyo alam yung Matrix? My God, taga saan kayo?
Hindi natuloy.
What are your favorite colors? I'm currently obsessed with red. I don't know what's happening. Red. I'm currently obsessed with red, pink, sky blue, everything that is pastel. And I like
Okay lang po sa inyo,
brown,
waiting tayo
black,
kasi may mga
obviously.
nakaschedule po. Yes, sir. Okay lang po ba sa inyo kung gusto
Yes,
niyo po
lagi ako nasa
today,
kalsada, kaya lagi ako
mag-wait
pinapagalitan
kayo,
ni
sir.
mama.
Waiting kayo.
Lagi akong hinahabol ng, alam mo yung broom, di ba, makapal yan. Kukuha lang siya niya ng isa or dalawa. Tapos igaganyan na yun. Takot pa kami niya ni Daboy, uwi na kami agad kasi masakit yan. Mas masakit pa siya sa marami. Plastiko, dampa. Dampa, ang galing ko din sa dampa. Ang dami ko niyan, dami. Hanggang dito yung ano ko. Hanggang dito yung lastiko ko. Dati. Kapakayabang ko. Tsaka ang taba-taba. Alam mo yung parang i-braid siya. Ang taba-taba ng braid ko sa lastiko. Tsaka binibenta ko. 20 tapos 2 pesos. Dampa. Ganyan yung dampa. Di mo alam. Ba yan? Pangit ang shadow mo. Hindi mo alam. Appear! Oh my God. Oh, cute sa pupa. Tingnan mo guys.
Paano ko magpapalit ng...
Ate nito! Bago lang kailangan ka ba? Okay ka lang? Sister mo? Hello! Excited ka na? Excited ka na?
Sa Chupin, sir, 60 pesos.
Excited ka na?
Excited ako.
Pag may discount po na
Hello, kamusta ka?
senior.
Salamat sinamahan mo ate mo. Guys, mag-end na ako guys. Bye-bye.
Depende po, sir.
Di okay lang ate. Ano ka ba?
Nakapag-date ko.
I-estimate po
Okay lang. Ano ka ba?